So how to provide signals on the copy trading app. What you want to do is load up the app, and if you click on account down here, you can see currently I've got a copyer selected. Now what you might want to do is go to the settings here and click trading account, and then click on this plus at the top, and this is where we can add a new account. So what we want to do here is we want to add a strategy providing account. So set up a new MT5 account that you want your strategies or your trades to be copied by other people. So if we log into that account now, so I'm going to select the server as MT5 Live, the account number is 5110340, and the password for that account as well. Again, you can find this on the global.mytaurex.com, and then click Provide Strategies and click I accept. Now, when this loads, you're going to get asked to complete a risk profile. And that profile essentially is all questions about your trading strategies, your total profit. You can see here how much capital do you intend to risk on the account, your investment horizon, and just go through and fill in each one of these, how many years you've been trading. Because of course we need to prove that you are able to provide these signals. Whether you've used the trading course, your target performance, whether you're going to hold positions, profitable track record, the leverage you intend to use, does it use a stop loss, do you diversify your risk, your target profit percentage for this strategy, and your maximum drawdown percentage, and then click I accept and click OK. And then it says here your application to be a signal provider is under review. So you'll basically send the application off, and then we'll notify you on whether that's been accepted. Now, in the meantime, when you then go back to your account, you can see we've now got a signals account. So if you go to the account here, we can now actually update and set up our profile by clicking on this little CO bit there. We can add a profile picture, and we can also change the name, or you want to hide your profile, and you can change all the details about that. Now, once you've been accepted, all you need to do is go onto this MT5 account and just start trading as normally. You can use the Copy Trading by Taurex app then to monitor your trades and your copiers. For example, I can switch now by clicking these arrows to switch between my copier account and my signal provider account, and you can monitor your trades on the copies bit or on the signals bit down here.